Hey fam, how y'all doing? So last time, well, probably the beginning of this video, I'll have me looking at it at my door, but this cable, it got stretched I think too much and it won't open, and that's the latch up here. So what I'm gonna do is I bought a new cable and latch for it and just switch it out, and that should work. So it's already disconnected down here from the actuator deal, and now I just got to, looks like there's two Torx right here. Three. Well, that worked. 18 bucks, better than trying to rig it and fix it, and that cable's stretched, so there's no point really. Now put it back all together. Pioneer speakers.